You're creating content, but it's not going out to the right people. Well, you really need to identify your target audience. And we're gonna show you exactly what you need to do to push your content out to your ideal client base, your ideal audience. Come on with me, we're gonna talk about that right now. My name is Kyle, and this is Foundation Creative, and welcome to our social media success series. Thank you so much for joining us. We're gonna be going over everything that you're gonna need to know to master social media, finding your target audience, engaging with that audience, and getting the audience to engage with you correctly using hashtags, all kinds of stuff, from the basics all the way up to the expert level. So make sure to stay checking in with us to stay updated. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to be breaking down all of the things that you need to know to successfully reach your target audience. Here we go. So why do you need to find your target audience? Well, first of all, better curated content, of course. So if you know who your target audience is, you know what they're looking for, what their interests are. So now you can better make your content to fit what they're searching. They're gonna engage with that more. If you're making content just for the sake of it, what's the purpose? Every content needs to be purposeful. But let me talk a little bit more about that. Purposeful content. Why do you want to make it? Why are you making content if there's no purpose behind it? Always thinking about the reason of why you're creating the content ends up translating perfectly into why are you going to post the content or how you're going to post the content. So it all starts with knowing that target audience. We've talked about why you need to know your target audience. Now let's talk about how to find that target audience. Identifying your target audience is super important, but how do you go about doing that? Well, the first thing you're really going to want to do is identify with yourself, your brand, your company. Who are you selling to? Who are you promoting to, or who are you putting out content for? And you want to really kind of develop that persona of what's your general audience that is actually going to be converting for you for your social posts look like. And that means reading through your comments of people that are interacting with your content. That means seeing who's liking, who's sharing your content, seeing what type of pages or interests that the people that are interacting with you, your profile, and all of your different social media posts, check and see what their interests are. Does their interest category fit the category that you're in? Or are they coming from some totally different place? Curating that list and narrowing down the true persona of your target audience is going to help you increase your social media tenfold. And for everybody that made it this far in the video, we're gonna throw in an extra tip for you, and that's competitor research. Okay, that is a big part of it. You've created something that you love and hold dear. There's other people that have gotten successful off of doing that same thing as well. Look and see what they did. See what worked for them. What are they doing? And then do it better. See what their audience is following. See what their audience is engaging in. And then get their audience. Research your competitors because they're doing something that's getting people to engage with them. Figure out what that thing is and do it better because we all know you can do it better. And that's gonna wrap it up for us. Thanks for watching. And if you found any of these tips helpful, make sure to like and comment so we can get in touch with you, and share it with anybody that might need these tips. And make sure you save the video so you don't lose any of these helpful tips. And we'll see you next time.